You're watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight, the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. This week we're going to be learning about Cupania, commonly known as Florida toadwood. This is a native shrub or small tree found within tropical hardwood hammocks in the Florida Keys, including areas like our garden. This species is listed as threatened in Florida due to its limited distribution and ongoing habitat decline. Cupania typically reaches heights of 10 to 20 feet and forms multi-stemmed crowns with elliptic alternate leaves. Its flowers come around during the spring, producing small panicles of creamy white blossoms that attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Mature fruit are dry capsules that release winged seeds in early summer, facilitating wind and animal dispersal. This plant thrives on rocky limestone soils in natural hardwood hammock settings, and it plays an important ecological role by providing nectar and supporting understory structure and helping stabilize soil in fragile coastal habitats. As an indicator species of healthier hammock ecosystems, its presence signals a well-functioning native plant community. The species name Cupania glabra means smooth, referencing its relatively hairless green leaf surfaces. Seeds are wind dispersed from papery capsules and occasionally eaten by birds, though not commonly cultivated in landscapes. So when this comes around, it's our pollinators doing its work to spread it and help it grow. We thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight, and we look forward to seeing you next week.